Alright, for our next part we're going to talk about charting and just real basics. I'm going to select all of my data here, and that's normally the best way to do it. And then I'm going to say insert and then click chart. It's going to default to a pie chart. I'm going to pull this over here. You'll have the chart editor over here. We could spend multiple videos on this. I'm just going to go down here. It seems to me maybe, I don't know, maybe I want a column chart. And if you've got some good titles, and normally Google Sheets going to figure out that these are the names and those are the grades, and there we go. I can see the data right there. A line chart really isn't very helpful. This one we can make it a bar horizontally so we could kind of see that. And then you've got all sorts of different options here. But anyway, that's just the beginnings of charting, and hope you have some fun with that. Alright, thanks for watching.